Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an affidavit for a laptop scheme. An affidavit is a sworn statement of facts, crucial for verifying your eligibility. It legally confirms details like your identity and the laptop's purpose. You'll need to include specific personal and device information, ensuring accuracy. This document serves as a formal declaration supporting your application for the scheme. Understanding its components is the first step to a successful submission. Gathering the correct information is vital. You'll need your full legal name, current address, and a valid identification number, such as from your national ID card. Also, prepare the laptop's exact model and serial number. Essential supporting documents include a copy of your identification and proof of enrollment or eligibility for the scheme. Having these ready will streamline the entire process, saving you time and effort. Drafting your affidavit can be done using a standard template or with the help of a legal professional. Ensure the statement is clear, concise, and truthful, detailing all necessary facts without ambiguity. Once drafted, you must sign the document in the presence of a notary public or an authorized commissioner of oaths. They will then attest to your signature, making the affidavit legally binding and valid for submission. After notarization, carefully submit your completed affidavit along with any other required application materials to the designated authority. It is highly recommended to make at least 2 copies of the entire document for your personal records before submission. Keep one physical copy and perhaps a digital scan. Be prepared for potential follow-up questions or requests for additional information, ensuring a smooth application process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.